If there is a mighty eagle, well, how come we don't ever hear his battle cry?
I don't know. Maybe we have.
What would a mighty eagle battle cry sound like? You know what? I think I got an idea. Maybe it's something like,
No, I bet it's more like caw-caw, caw-caw. That's theoretically what it's more like scientifically.
Oh, I got one.
Not bad. It's a good impression. But in my head, I'm kind of imagining it's something more like a... That sounds about right.
Now I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more subtle. Like a little bit just more majestic, like...
Stop making mighty eagle noises! Oh, it's like running a nursery. Absolute childcare.
Someone has anger issues. This is the wrong mountain.
My calves are killing me. Oh.